Did you notice this incredibly sad detail in How to Train Your Dragon? In the first movie, after accidentally causing mayhem and destroying half the village, Hiccup expects the worst. Stoic approaches him furious, and that's when Hiccup says the very first thing he ever says to his father in the entire franchise.
Sorry, Dad.
And in the second movie, Stoic gives his life to save Hiccup, and while looking at his father's boat, Hiccup says the very last thing he ever says to his father.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Their story begins and ends with the same line, but the meaning behind it is completely different.